Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do a pie chart. If you wanted to know how to do a bubble chart, there is one in all of my previous videos, so you can go back and check those ones out. And before I continue, remember to hit that subscribe and like button so you get all of the notifications and when I will cover the next topic about Excel. Also, I'm learning about WordPress. And WordPress, it is a platform where you can create websites and blogs. So it's kind of like a hybrid. If you want to know how to create your own website, please let me know because I can do a whole entire brand new series on how to create one. But let's get back to pie charts. How to insert a pie chart, it is really easy. All you need to do is click on to the information that you want to be captured in the pie chart and then go over to your insert tab. Then click on to the symbol that looks like a pie. And what a pie chart symbolizes is the summary of all of the numbers, or the sum of all of each numbers, and then it will create a mini circle looking like a pie. That's how pie charts got its name. And for the fun sake of it, I'm going to choose a 3D pie. If you hover around it, it will show you, like right over here, what is the percentage of each of what the pie slices represent. So for example, over here it shows 25% out of 100 is the rent. However, over to here, it is 8% of the 100% that it is on traveling. The mini tiny little slice, 4% went over to utilities. So that is what a basic of what a pie chart is that it has summarized all of the numbers onto here that would equal to 100%, and then it created a full view of the pie chart. And right over here, I'm just going to change the title to, and if you're like me and you can't get your boxes on the correct places, be careful how you're moving it. Another way that you can always fix that, it is click over to here and then click onto control. If you're like me and you don't know how to fix back stuff that you have previously moved, always go back to home and you can just click on this and it's back to how it originally was. And if you want to put out data labels, and those are actually much more easily to be viewed, that is a-okay too as well, to make it more visually appealing. Also, if you want to save this chart for your notes and you want to move the chart to a brand new sheet, all you need to do is click on the chart again, go to chart design, move chart, new sheet. So the one's going to be called pie chart. And there you have it. It's on to a brand new sheet. And you can also move the tabs as well. Also, if you want to cater, it's like make your bottom of here look fancy and you want to give them like color behind it, you can also do it too as well. Just right click. You can add a tab color to customize it so that makes it a lot more easier for the eye and for people who are viewing your whole entire sheets. Hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Bye for now.